Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to remove the audio from any video using a few simple methods in Windows 11 or Windows 10, and yes, it's completely free. Whether you're editing a clip for social media or just want to mute a background noise, I've got you covered. Let's get started. You can remove audio from a video using FFmpeg. FFmpeg is a powerful and versatile tool for handling media files. One of its many features is the ability to remove audio from any video file using a simple one-line command. Open the folder with the video file, then right-click in the File Explorer and select Open in Terminal. Run the following command while replacing the input and output names of the video. Just press Enter to run the command, and the audio will be removed from the video file. You will find the new video file without audio in the same folder as the source video. To use FFmpeg, it has to be installed on your machine. Check the video in the description on how to install it. Want to host your own fast, secure, and lightweight VPN server? WireGuard is one of the best choices, and today I'll show you. As you can see, the audio was removed. Next, if you already have VLC Media Player installed, you can use it too. VLC is free and super lightweight. To get started, click on File and then Convert Stroke Save option. Now, click on the Add button and then find the video file you want to remove the audio from, select it, and click the Open button. In this window, choose the Convert option. Then, from the Profile drop-down menu, select Video H.264 plus MP 3.MP4. If you prefer a different video format, feel free to select the one that suits your needs. Go to the Video Codec tab and select the Keep the Original Track checkbox. Go to the Audio Codec tab and uncheck the Audio checkbox. Click the Save button to confirm the changes. Next, click the Browse button in the Convert window. Enter a name for your output file. In the File Name field, choose the destination folder where you want to save it, and then click Save. Click the Start button in the Convert window to begin. VLC will immediately start processing the video and removing the audio. Once the process is complete, the file will be saved automatically to the location you selected earlier. And that's it. Super easy ways to remove audio from any video in Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more simple tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions or other editing tricks to share. See you in the next one.